Welcome traders to this educational video of stock analysis. आप सबका स्वागत है stock analysis video में. And today I'll be sharing two different stocks for swing trades. Whenever I make these videos, my friends, generally मैं share करता हूँ दो stocks जो positional trading के लिए होते हैं, यानी कि एक महीने से लेके करीबन 3 महीना 4 महीना उस टाइम फ्रेम के हिसाब से होते हैं. But today the stocks which I'm going to share with you, आज जो stocks आपके साथ मैं share करूँगा, are for probably just for few days, 3 days to 5 days and maybe even 10 days, not more than that. So this is called a swing trade. In case if you are a beginner, then this is called a swing trade. On the left hand side, I have the daily time frame charts, and the right hand side I have the hourly charts. And the first stock from my side is Sun Pharma. I have already shared little bit of the views regarding this stock in weekly sectoral analysis, but I thought I'll make slightly in-depth video with all of you, so it will help you to understand how the entire stock might pan out in the next few days. So in the daily time frame, we can clearly see that the stock is trading above the 50-day simple moving average, which is a sign that the stock is in an uptrend. And what I have done over here is I have just plotted the Fibonacci, and as per Fibonacci, these are the different support levels. But as per my manual intervention, my analysis, ये जो support है पूरा, ये support band है, जो आपको horizontal यहाँ पे price band दिख रहा है from 887 to 878. These seems to be very, very strong. And currently what is happening is the stock is just, consolidating in this area. If you see properly from 14th March onwards, till 28th March, it's almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ट्रेडिंग सेशन से ये जो स्टॉक है वो इसी रेंज में ऑसिलेट कर रहा है, यानी कि कंसोलिडेट कर रहा है, बट इट इज नॉट एबल टू ब्रेक दिस सपोर्ट, व्हिच इज अ वेरी गुड साइन. ऑलराइट, सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट द स्टॉक इज इन एन अप ट्रेंड and it is trading near a very good support. But just when a stock is trading at a very good support, for me it is not a very good buy. All right, because many times it can happen that stocks can come down, they can break supports, and they can keep on falling. So there is no point of buying at bottoms or trying to pick a bottom. But yes, we can say that it is at a very good support. And in the hourly charts, if you see properly in the hourly charts, what is happening is that the stock is also getting support from this short term trend line. You can see somewhere over here, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा स्टॉक ट्रेंड लाइन को टेस्ट करने से पहले ही घूम गया, but it did understand that there is some sort of support coming over here. Even over here, the candles, if you see properly, all the candles have gone smaller, यानी कि volatility crash हो गई है. Volatility is coming down. If I just plot ATR, you can see the volatility is coming down. Generally, volatility coming down is a good sign for the bulls. Now, if you see the trend line breakout in RSI, this is a possible sign that bulls are trying to come back into control of this particular stock. But again, I would say this is not a good time to buy the stock. For me, as a trader, I would suggest that at least the stock should, rally till somewhere around 922 or something, and there should be a pretty good big green candle. 922 के ऊपर. All right, again I am repeating, 922 के ऊपर एक hourly closing basis candle बनना चाहिए with really good volumes. If this thing happens, then there is a possibility that this stock will rise for next few days on the upside. And according to me, the levels which could be tested on the upside are probably 943, 944, even 958, and maybe even 965 or 970. So these are the levels which could be tested on the upside. And according to me, I'm sharing a view with all of you. Kindly keep a stop loss at your end. Kindly, use your own proprietary system. यानी कि अपने end पे कृपया करके अपनी technical analysis knowledge इसमें आप लगाएं. And I'm just sharing a view with you. You can use this view, put in your own inputs, put in your own trading system, put in your own stop loss, and probably take this video as an educational video. This is not a call. This is just a view from my side. All right. And the second stock from my side will be Wipro. Now, what is happening is Wipro is, I have already told that I think last few days back, I had made videos on two stocks. One was TCS and another was Tech Mahindra. And those videos were for positional picks, not for short term. Now, what is happening is suddenly in IT packs, धीरे धीरे करके एक एक stock ऊपर आ रहा है. Now, this time we can see Wipro. Although Wipro is not very strong as compared to TCS or Tech Mahindra, I can completely agree with all of you. And but what I would say is, yes, it has started a new uptrend. But before going up, in case if it has to go up, I assume there will be some sort of consolidation happening. Okay, there will be some sort of consolidation happening. And what is happening over here, especially in the daily chart, is clearly visible after the stock closed above 50-day simple moving average. छोटे छोटे candles बनने शुरू हो गए हैं. So this is a sign that the volatility is coming down. Consolidation चालू हो गया है. All right. And there are multiple supports on the downside. Say, for example, 592 or maybe 581 or many supports. 592, 581, both these supports are pretty strong enough. All right. If suppose the stock does not break 592, I repeat, if the stock does not break 592, because in the hourly chart, if you see my friends properly, यहाँ से दो बार ये stock घूम चुका है. First time I think it did create a short-term bottom on 22nd of March, and again on 25th, and again today I think it has tested and it has bounced slightly, just a little bit. So in case if this bottom holds on, यानी कि जो 592, 590 का जो zone है, ये अगर hold on करता है, and after that we see a good rally coming up, a very good rally coming up, and we see a big green candle. All right, a big green candle, maybe a couple of big green candles also is enough for me. And they close above this level. You can see मैंने यहाँ पे एक black line रखा हुआ है. And if they close above 611, then the chances of the stock going higher will increase, because if you see over here, मैंने यहाँ पे RSI में भी trend line बनाया हुआ है. ठीक है. So once I think the stocks will start moving up, you will also get a breakout in the RSI. So both these things will confirm each other. And if the breakout will happen with volumes, then it will be even better, I guess so. And the probable levels to be tested on the upside are possibly 619, 625, 626, and maybe even 635. And again, once again, I would like to repeat that ये जो मैंने view share किया हुआ है Sun Pharma और Wipro पे, this is for swing view. This can be used for 1 day to probably 5 days, and max could be 10 to 12 days, maybe not more than that. This is for a swing trade, for a short term view. But ये एक view share किया है मैंने मेरे end से. This is not a trade. Kindly put your own analysis after watching this video. Kindly put your own proprietary trading system on this stock. Find out the real stop loss, and on the top of all, everyone knows that currently market is very, very choppy. Today also we saw Nifty and Bank Nifty going up and down in the intraday. So overall market is very choppy, and generally when markets are very, very choppy, I'll just open the chart of Nifty futures quickly. All right. So when markets are really choppy, it's not very easy to make money. All right. Once we have a clear direction, then I think making money will be very easy. So be very, very careful about your position sizing, and be sure that you don't lose a very big chunk of your portfolio in case if the view doesn't work at your end. All right. And I hope these educational videos are helping you, and just let me know by your comments below in the comment section. Thank you, and trade wisely.